loaded, 2 pops of breaks. It is Wednesday, October 28th. We are breaking Bond Box full-size helmet. We randomed up our 34 remaining boxes out of the initial 42. We got number 4. Did random teams for it on your left. We've already randomized teams, customers, alphabetized. Everybody gave them a minute to trade, but all right, here we go. Not seeing any trades, folks, so trading is officially closed. Here we go, fellas. Well, I guess I hope I slice my sides first. Wow, guys, wow. Well, you were right. Pack was the one who called it, guys. That is going to be a Pittsburgh hit. We haven't found any of our big boys tonight here. Well, I mean, not that the Adams Chrome Authentic was bad, guys, but bam, that is going to be the Cam Heyward Hydro Vengeance on that baby Beckett card and certification there. I'm actually going to stick that in the collar. See the hold a little better there to count. But bam, Cam Heyward Hydro Authentic for the Pittsburgh slot, y'all. Well, Jason finally with a hit there. That's Jason's first hit in a little while. See if we can't get you started on something. I'm sorry, G, everybody else there. But Jason finally getting himself a hit with the Cam Heyward. Tell you, that guy's a beast, man. If TJ wasn't on that team, he'd be getting a whole lot of publicity. I said those two together are pretty damn nasty. Sort of remind me of the Monco Hampton team there, but let me double check again. That is the pit slot for Mr. Jason Hill. Finally, Jason. No, it ain't a monster for you, but it's the start. Gonna bring up our qualifier. We're gonna switch it on over there. And pull one of Jason's out. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 times. Well, Gigi with the double qualifier on the golden ticket. That is qualifier number 17 and 18, folks. We are 9 boxes into our series of 42. Whole lot of big hits left there for you guys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook. Have a wonderful night.